you can see that Mr. Beckham has joined us. Now, we are going to open the floor for 15 minutes of questions. Please ask a question to every member of both teams that are here with us. And all the questions must be football related or trip related, okay, with the Smart Dream Cup. And we shall start with Mr. Rick Olivares. Yes, sir.
All right. David, first of all, congratulations on winning the game and thank you for coming to the Philippines. Your impressions of the Philippine team and who impressed you the most, sir?
I think there was many players in their team that got ability. Obviously we scored more goals tonight, but I think there was a moment in the first half where a number of their players had some good chances, and I think when it was 2-1 they could have equalised. So it was difficult at times, but on behalf of the Galaxy, I want to thank everyone because it's been a great trip, a fun game tonight, and a difficult game. So thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, another question on the floor?
I'll just repeat the previous question given to Landon and Coach Bruce. Would you be willing to come back in front of the Philippines?
We'd love to come back. It's been a great trip. Like I said, when we found out that we were coming to the Philippines, a month ago, it was one of those trips that we was excited about. We've got a young lady that works for the Galaxy that couldn't make the trip. She's Filipino and she told us all about how beautiful it is and how amazing people are. And as soon as we arrived, we knew she was telling the truth. So we'd love to come back one day, but we've had fun.
Thank you, yes.
Mr. Phil?
Phil?
So you've said it publicly that you idolize David. Sorry, yes, right? Did you have any conversation with him on this?
With David, I asked him about his trip in Indonesia because we played in Indonesia last year as well, and obviously his travels, and obviously David was nice enough to let me know how it was. So that's our conversation so far. But obviously, on behalf of the FPL, I'd like to thank David and the Galaxy for coming to the Philippines and showcasing obviously your talents and skills. Thank you.
But actually, your passport brothers.
David's
Does he know you have British blood, Phil?
I'm not sure. I grew up in Spain.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I was playing in Spain. So yeah. See, I grew up. So obviously, David's one of my biggest idols, and obviously one of the reasons I wanted to play football.
Yes.
This question is addressed to Cheeky. Cheeky, how's your experience leading the team for this game?
Una salamat sa lahat na sumusuporta sa team Astros and sa team David Beckham sa pagpunta nila dito. Sobrang saya and yung pinakita nila yung laro nila, yung first goal ni David. Marami kaming natutunan sa game na to and malaking bagay para sa amin sa preparation namin sa early next year's AFC Challenge Cup. Masaya yung lahat. Hindi lang yung mga error kami yung nag-start. Siguro yung mga lapses na ganun. Siguro yun yung saan kami weak namin sa defense line. Siguro kung yung line-up namin same in Nepal, siguro siguro napakagandang laban siguro. Kaso lang, syempre, hindi natin iwasan yung mga teammates namin na yung mga club teams sa yung home country nila. So, next time, kung makabalik din sila, challenge namin sila. Thank you.
Another question from the floor? Yes, ma'am?
Just a quick question for Chief. Kailan tumigil yung pagkakilig ka? Nararamdaman mo ba yun nung nasa field ka or nakalimutan niyo kung sino yung kalaban?
Siyempre, una,
Ebong should translate.
parang, ano lang, panaginip, di ba? Yung parang hindi mo naasahan na nandito yung idolo mo, di ba? Sa, nakikita mo na dati sa TV, yung katabi ko na. Di ba? Sobrang saya. Kanina, sa first 5 to 10 minutes, parang yung mga teammates ko nagugulat kasi parang naano sila na siguro parang excited sila na makalaban yung Team Galaxy. Tapos yun, sinasabi as a team captain, sinasabi ko na tapusin mo na yung game before tayo maging or taking pictures sa Galaxy. Diba? So may time yung gano'n. Siguro yun, nag-enjoy yung lahat, lalo na yung sa inyo, diba? Sino naman siguro
Thank you,
mag-enjoy sa
Chibi.
Alright,
Kasi
thank you.
lahat
I have
naman
a
tayo.
question for Mr. Beckham now, please. Is that alright?
Alright.
Yeah. You have very little time with the kids that you teach, and also with the other teams that you play against. If there are one or two things that you want them to remember about football, what are the most important lessons that you want them to come away with?
To have fun is the most important thing as well. You know, for kids to see their faces, you know, we coached a few kids yesterday, and to see their faces, to see their expressions, it's a special thing. So, whenever I'm asked a question about advice to children, you know, in the game, if they want to play the game in life, to have fun, simple as that.
One last question
Thank
for
you.
Mr. Beckham.
You've already asked one. Can I ask one? Can I ask somebody who hasn't asked? Yes, sir.
Mr. Beckham, congratulations. Wonderful kid. How did that you curve that ball?
Very good question.
Can you teach some of our players?
I mean, I haven't done that for a few years, so I was happy with the goal tonight. I'm usually setting them up, so it was nice to get a goal tonight. But you know, some of the guys can do that already, and you can see that they've got talent. So you don't even need to tell them.
If there's one thing you want to tell this Philippine team, on how they can improve their game and be really competitive in this part of the world, what do you tell them?
I don't think I need to tell them anything because it was a difficult game for us tonight. You know, the score doesn't tell how close the game was at times. So you know, they don't need me giving them advice because I can see that they've got talent in their team.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you very much. We're going to open the floor for one more question from Mr. David Beckham. One more question from Mr. David Beckham. Yes, sir. You raise your hand first.
Hi, I'm David. I'm Sid Ventura from Yahoo Philippines. After the game, you talked with Manny Pacquiao. What did you talk about, and what was it like meeting him?
I couldn't wait to get off the field to talk to him. Actually. I'm a huge fan of him. You know, he's such a talented man and a good person as well. So I know all the players were excited about him being at the game tonight. I saw him walk in during the game, and you know, I wanted to meet him and got a picture with him. So it was exciting. It was exciting for us to see him.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, Chiefy and Phil are going to stay behind, and let's give a big hand to Mr. David Beckham.